Good afternoon, beautiful people. It is Tuesday and I have just got back from my second day of ObGyn. My voice sounds a little bit weird because I had a cold over the weekend and I was wiped out, but I am back now and I'm here with a video. I have just got back from the most amazing day. I am in awe at paediatricians, even though I'm on ObGyn, I'm in awe at paediatricians on how they, just everything they do. It really makes me want to be one still, and it's amazing what they did today. So there was a 24-week-old baby who they managed to revive, and well, it was very touch and go at points, but they resuscitated him and he's on the ward now, and it was just amazing to see. I had to pick up the camera. I wasn't even planning to vlog today, but I had to tell you how amazing and just awesome these doctors are. I think as a profession, medical professionals and medical doctors, nurses, so underrated, so underpaid, especially here. And my gosh, what they did today was just amazing. The child was literally the size of my forearm, less than the size of my forearm. And they were doing the bag and mask, ventilation, resuscitation with just a finger, and his chest was going up. Oh, it was insane, insane. But such a blessing that I got to see it, and the whole time I was praying for that baby, that they would make it through. The mother's fine as well. But yeah, it was just so sad that they had to deliver the baby so early, but sometimes this happens, and every child is a miracle and a gift. So it's just a reminder of that. Today, I had planned to go to the gym, but I don't think that's going to happen because I need to cook. I need to marinate some corn, some fake chicken, and I need to go to the med school, hand in some forms. I need to practice ObGyn stuff, study, see some friends, and I have a late start tomorrow, thank God, 10 AM. So I'll go to the gym tomorrow. See you later.
I just read the ending to this article and
I'm in the most stress right now.
That's ridiculous.
Okay.
Maybe we should try again and maybe they're usable now.
Let's hope so.
Like, I think I've gotten all this information, but like in pieces. So it's
Yeah.
nice that they brought it all together and said this is what it, like, it's
Yeah.
straightforward and direct. Finally.
How are you feeling, Jenna?
My percent.
Jenna goes to bed at 10:30. It is now 11:16. I'm in bed.
I'm feeling great.
2 types of medical students.
Goodbye.
3 types of medical
No, I
students.
don't. I'm tired.
You're like in between.
I'm pushing through.
In between the both of us.
I've got no idea how my hair looks right now, but...
Beautiful.
Good morning, lovely people. I am about to leave to go to the hospital. I am just... Oh, sunlight. And a messy apartment. I am just packing up my bag to leave. I have a very, very, very busy day today. It's long. I'm on call and I've got a ton of work to do and research to redo because I broke my laptop. It was kind of on its way out anyway, but the MacBook is destroyed and I have been a mess for the past 2 days. But now I am choosing positivity and choosing joy and choosing happiness and just going to focus on the good. And if I need to redo things, I'm just going to redo them. So that's the plan. I'm staying positive. I'm not letting this get me down because there is too much to get done and it's too crucial a time to get upset for too long. I have wallowed for 2 days. Well, a day and a half, a day and a quarter. So now I'm leaving. We've got ward round with the consultant and then we have ward work and then the on-call. So I'm going to head off and do that now. So I'll see you on the other side. Oh, it's all fuzzy. Hold on. There we go. Hello, beautiful people. It is Saturday afternoon and I am heading to Limassol because somehow the Pantheo conference has arrived and I'm obviously missing today because of Sabbath, but tomorrow I'm presenting with my work wife, which is a bit crazy because it's been a bit of a horrific month for me. Like the past 4 weeks have just been insane, but maybe I'll address that in another vlog for those that don't already know. But yeah, it's been an interesting time, and med school doesn't wait for any illness or any bereavement or anything that happens in your life. So I'm back here in Cyprus and I have to present at a conference this weekend. So that is happening tomorrow. We did a poster and managed to do a presentation, prepare it all within 2 weeks, and I wasn't in the country at the time, so thank goodness for WhatsApp chat and video chats and everything, because that's how we've managed to get it done, and by God's grace. So thankful that this day has arrived, and it'll be very interesting to see how it's a competition, so it'll be interesting to see if we win or become second or third. I think all of that's an achievement in itself, just even participating, because of everything that's happened in both of our lives of late. So yeah, it's here and I'm about to head off. This is the weather today, a bit grey and overcast, and the shrubbery out there is thriving because of the amount of rain they've been having here. It's been insane. I heard them say on the radio that apparently there won't be a drought this year because of it, so good stuff for Cyprus. Right, I'm going to head off. Head on my drive, and I'll show you this fancy dinner that I'm going to a bit later for all the doctors that are taking part and medical students, so it should be fun. See you there.
Hello, love.
Hello.
So what are we having tonight? We're having chickpeas, aren't we? Mm-hmm. So we just cooked this up very, very quickly, and I made a bit of a boo-boo. I bought whole tomatoes instead of chopped ones, which is awful.
I didn't even notice.
Did you not? Okay, well it's in there, so there we go. So this has got chickpeas, spinach, it's got some spices, some turmeric, lots of chilli. Thank you for the light. Okay, I'm not quite sure how that looks, but okay.
It's good.
Onion, garlic, and just some general Indian loveliness. Are you going to enjoy it?
Yeah, I am, and I made this.
She did!
So
I'm so excited. Look at
Rice.
that brown rice. Yes.
That was my contribution. I've just wet up everywhere.
That's fine, don't worry about it. I feel like we're not the most graceful of cooks, but it turns out well in the end.
It's how it tastes.
It's how it tastes that matters, my
How
friend.
good my skin looks.
Look at this.
Get a close up. Gosh.
Isn't it beautiful? So beautiful. You've literally got like no pores. I have like 50.
Really?
Yeah. So
You don't.
I've got very big pores over my nose.
Shall we
Thank
just,
you.
Let's just cut it here.
Yeah, let's cut it here.
Doesn't he wear like a red hat? So interested. He always wears a jacket. Yeah. I know who you mean.
He has very chubby hands. Like his finger.
So after last night's weird events, we're just about to practice our presentation. It's all very rushed and we are a bit late, but
It's fine.
yeah,
It's fine.
we're going to be fine. It's going to be fine. We'll be fine. So yeah, that's what we're about to do now.
History also confirmed that she had a long-term beta. Oh no, that's fine. A long-term history. No, go back one. Sorry, thank you.
You need to like when
Can we start from the beginning, please?
right.
What's wrong with feeling?
Okay. Hello, my name is Zara Tony and this is my colleague Simran Singh. Our presentation is entitled Thalassemia and Maculopathy, or Drug Toxicity and Ophthalmologist's Conundrum. So just a bit of background on thalassemia.
So investigation, as I mentioned before, her initial assessment took place in Cyprus, where we saw that she had a myopia, and dilated fundoscopy indicated changes in the RPE of her macula. The OCT was done, however, did not indicate anything abnormal here.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how nervous are you?
I'm very nervous. It's going to come out of two ways. I'm either going to vomit or I'm going to shit myself. So
Okay, can I swear on YouTube?
yeah, of course. Just bleep it out.
I'm pretty nervous too. I'm like shaking. I think it's just the questions that they're going to ask, but we're going to be fine. We're going to be fine.
Yes. Okay, right, it's done.
I can't take coffee.
So, does anyone know what this is? This little triangle.
I've seen it before.
It's for like the...
No, I've seen it before.
How are you finding the dessert, guys?
Delicious. Let's see if this is as good as it looks. Oh god, that looks very rich.
It's flour. It looks healthier, I guess.
Okay, 10 out of 10? No? Endaxi. Endaxi, guys. Hey Alpha, what's up, babe? No? Maybe? I just want to zoom in on your cheese. This looks so good.
Look at yours.
What do you mean, look at mine? Look at mine.
Alpha is like pro.
Alpha is like pro, babe.
Presented into clinic with a 3-month history of sudden onset black spots in both eyes. She also subsequently was suffering from a reduced peripheral and night vision in both eyes for a 2-month period as well.
ObGyn, at the moment there's an app that's been developed in the tech world for patients to monitor their drug usage levels, and thank you very much.